Whether you're doing an engine exchange, a module exchange in the field, or sending your engine to the shop for servicing, all GE Vernova engines and modules go through standard repair processes at one of our major service centers, where we keep your engine up and running with high performance. Here's an inside look at the process, from right before your turbine enters one of our repair facilities until the day it leaves, re-energized and ready to work. To get an engine to a GE Vernova facility, we work closely with you to plan and establish deadlines for your outage. We call this Gate Zero. Next, the engine enters one of our major repair facilities. We have many shops around the world supporting GE Vernova customers in over 60 countries. This is the beginning of Gate 1, where the engine arrives on site and is unloaded and disassembled. But first, it's cleaned with a new automated line, chemical baths, and rinse tanks, which increase efficiency and ensure your unit is debris-free. Next, a team inspects the engine, takes inventory, and replaces parts. This is Gate 2. The team works as quickly as possible with multiple part streams, repair work timelines, supply chains, and vendors. Coordination and communication are key. Now the engine moves to Gate 3. Here, the team focuses on assembly and rebuilding modules. Next up is one of the most important parts in the process, Gate 4, where we test for functional integrity and prep the engine. In the test cells, the team tests for a number of parameters to make sure every aspect of the engine works. Since Gate 4 is so important, many customers choose to observe, either remotely or on-site. Once the engine has passed testing, it's shipped back to you, better than ever. So what's the secret to getting this done efficiently? It's all about assets. GE Vernova has the largest engine pools, and when turnaround time is critical, it's our goal to work as quickly as possible, completing a major overhaul in under 50 days. And there you have it. From start to finish, the journey of an aeroderivative engine through a GE Vernova repair facility.